Welcome to the presentation of the bi-weekly Looking at the Charts report. Please bear in mind that all charts presented, unless otherwise stated, will be in the 4-hour time frame. My name is Peter Yusuf, and with no time to waste, let's move to our first chart, EURUSD. EURUSD maintained a sideways movement during the past week, trading between the 0.99 support line and the 1.011 resistance level, revolving around the parity level. We tend to hold a sideways bias for the continuation of the pair's price action being confined between the two bounds, highlighting that the long-term descending trend line initiated since the beginning of February 2022 signals a possible extension of the downward trend in the near future. Supporting our case, we note that the RSI indicator below our 4-hour chart hovers around the 50 level, pointing to a rather indecisive market. Should the bulls take charge of common currency's direction, we may see the pair's price action breaking the 1.011 resistance line, challenge the long-term descending trend line, and take aim of the 1.0246 resistance level. Should, on the other hand, the bears take over, we may see the pair breaking the 0.99 support line and heading towards the 0.98 support base, a level once seen before in December of 2002. GBPUSD remains under pressure, with its price action heading downwards towards the 1.1542 support level, as indicated by the descending trend line initiated on the 10th of August. We maintain a bearish outlook bias for the continuation of the pair's price action, so long as the price action remains constrained below the descending trend line. At the same time, we note that the RSI indicator found below our 4-hour chart registers the reading of 30, highlighting the bearish sentiment surrounding cable. Should the bears continue to reign over, we may see the pair's price action breaking below the 1.1542 support level and move decisively towards the 1.1470 support base, a level once seen before in March 2020. Should, on the other hand, the bulls take over, we may see the pair breaking the 1.1688 resistance line, challenge and break above the descending trend line, and take aim for the 1.1759 resistance barrier. USD CAD was on the rise yesterday, placing some distance between the price action and the 1.3075 support line, taking aim of the 1.3220 resistance line. We tend to maintain a bullish outlook for the pair as long as it remains above the upward trend line incepted since the 26th of August. Please note that the RSI indicator is approaching the reading of 70, also implying a rather bullish sentiment on behalf of the market for the pair. Similar signals are being transmitted by the Bollinger Bands, as the price action is nearing the upper boundary, while the Bollinger Bands have taken an upward turn. Should the bulls remain in charge of the pair's direction, we may see USD CAD breaking the 1.3220 resistance line and aim for the 1.3335 resistance level. On the other hand, we must note that the pair has not seen such high levels since mid-July, hence the bulls may have some difficulty advancing further. Should a correction lower take place and the bears take over, we may see the pair reversing direction, breaking the pre-mentioned upward trend line and the 1.3075 support line, taking aim of the 1.2915 support level. AUDUSD was dropping yesterday, aiming for the 0.6790 support line. We tend to maintain a bearish outlook for the pair, as long as it remains below the downward trend line incepted since the 30th of August. Please note that the RSI indicator is nearing the reading of 30, enhancing the possibility of a bearish scenario. Should the selling interest persist for the pair, we may see AUDUSD breaking the 0.6790 support line and aim for the 0.6710 support level. On the other hand, should the pair find fresh extensive buying orders along its path and reverse direction, we may see it breaking the pre-mentioned downward trend line, breaking also the 0.6860 resistance line, and take aim of the 0.6960 resistance level. We hope that you found this report useful, and from all of us here at IronFX, best wishes for solid trading.